Good morning and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick demonstration on how to access the i5 Limited accounting module, management system module in this website. So whether you're a brand new or just looking to learn more, yes, you are in the right place. So we'll cover what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can use it to access the accounting management system. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started and make most out of it. So, yeah, let's dive in and take a closer look at this website. So, this is the i5 Limited homepage. So, as you can see, there is home, about us, service, contacts. So, all we need to do is to sign in using the account username and password. So all we need to do is to click this one and then sign in. So since we will be discussing the accounting management system, this module allows users to manage cash flow in one place, right from recording transaction to summarizing and analyzing financial reports. So we can utilize these features to track our expenses in terms of equipment, stocked, and use in daily operations such as like raw materials procured and services. So we can definitely track our expenditures through this module. So first, we need to open the drop-down menu here. We can click this file, and then we can look for an accounting here. Here it is. So this one is the highlighted. Um, it is an accounting option or accounting modules where we can click this one. So these features, you can close this one. So yeah, these features shows the accounting dashboard from what you can see to be an ERP or accounting software system. So here's the breakdown of the dashboard functions and how to use them. So as you can see, it displays key financial metrics and provides quick access to common accounting tasks. So the dashboard is organized into different sections representing various accounting activities, such as a new invoice, this one, this button to create a new customer invoice. And then the status indicators, it displays the number of unpaid and late invoices, like alerts, like gaps in the sequence, like this one, in which it indicates possible issues with the invoice numbering or sequence. So you can definitely see if there's an error on it because there is a pop-up message, which is the gaps in the sequence. And then for the timeline, this one, it has a visual representation of when invoices are due or overdue. So it has a segment that has due, this week, and future dates, like this one, and also not due. And also, there is an amount, shows the total unpaid amount. So, yeah, that's it for the customer invoices. And next one is the vendor bills. This one, this portion right here. So for vendor bills, it has a new invoice in which you can click the button to create a new vendor bill, or you can upload the information. And then there is also a status indicators in which displays unpaid and late invoices with the amount similar to the customer invoice section. So you can definitely know if there is a error for that particular invoice because there will be um, an indication or status indication, just like this one. But for this part, there is no indicate or status indicator because there is no error, unlike with customer invoices. But we will fix it. And then for the miscellaneous operation, it has a button to enter miscellaneous operation or transaction that may not fall under the typical invoice or categories. And then the back, you can click the connect button to connect bank accounts for importing bank statement. And also there's an outstanding payments or receipts that shows the total outstanding amount that needs to be reconciled with the bank statement. There is also other accounts connect where you can click that button to import statement for a specific account. And then outstanding payments, receipts, this one, it actually displays the outstanding balances for the account, just like this one. And also in terms with cash, there is a new transaction button where you can click this one and also record new cash transaction. And there is also outstanding payments receipts, wherein it shows the outstanding amount related to cash transaction. And also, aside from that, aside from these information, we also have the drop down here above. So first, we can click the reporting, which is a drop down. It has a drop down menu that records or the reporting menu shown in this view provides access to various financial management reports. The reports that our company or my company uses and printed as PDF format are just like this one: balance sheets, profit and loss, partner ledger, aged partner balance, aged receivable, aged payable, and so on. So we can actually start with balance sheets. So if you can click the balance sheet here, these reports provide a snapshot of the company's financial position at a specific point in time, showing the assets, liabilities, and equity. So we can click this one to print and check the information um, in the balance sheet. It actually includes asset, liability, and profit loss to report. So yeah, that's it. And you can click uh, and then we can proceed to profit and loss. This report shows the company's revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period. So it provides insight into profitability. So yeah, that's it. And same with balance sheet, we can click and then we can print. And the next one is the general ledger, in which this report details the all transaction in this account. So you can click general ledger and then click the print. And then for trial balance, under audit reports, this report lists the balances of all general ledger accounts, using or ensuring that debits equal credits and providing a summary of the company's financial standing before generating the financial statement. So yeah, that's the trial balance. You can again click the trial balance and then print, and then you can get the summary of the trial balance. And then the next one is the invoice analysis. So you can scroll and then look for invoice analysis. And actually, this report provides insight into the company's invoicing activities, such as the number of invoices issued, amounts, payment status, and trends. You can use pie graph, line graph, and bar. And yeah, we also have here other filters such as to invoice, customers, vendors, and so on. And for group buy, there is salesperson, sales team, partner, product category. So most of it we usually use product category. So you can see it here, the untaxed total. So yeah, that's it. So this is actually essential for maintaining the official or financial oversight, ensuring compliance and making informed business decisions. So yeah, and then the next one is the expenses. So aside from the accounting, it also linked to expenses. So we can actually from here we can actually click the drop down menu and then look for expenses. So you can click expenses here. So as you can see, this view provides shows the expenses modules within our system, specifically focusing on expense management functionalities. So this view or display a list of all expenses incurred, categorized by description, employees responsible, uh, paid by, and some activities and the total status here. So you can see expense, subscription, employee, paid by, activities, and total status. So, and then as you can see, there is a create report here button. You can click this create report to allow users to generate an expense report summarizing all expenses incurred over a period of time. So that's the usage of the create report. And this one is the expense status here. Expense status where it shows the total amount to be reimbursed or validated. And then the filter option, as you can see here, there's a filter that you can use to narrow down the list of expenses by different criteria such as date, employee, status, and etc. And then the group by, there's also a group by here that allows grouping of expenses by criteria like employee, date, or status for better analysis. So you can use that as well. So for the expense details, there's actually three different like categories. So the expense items, it includes the expense date, description, and employee, wherein an expense item such as Circle K, which is listed in the details and in which we viewed, um, has the date, description, employee responsible, and the amount. So these items have been marked as approved, indicating they have gone through the necessary approval process. And then the paid by, which is this one, this column shows whether the company or an employee paid the expense. If an employee paid, it would be marked for reimbursement. So just like this one, employee to reimbursed. And then the total amount or total status, it indicates the total amount for each expense. So let's example is the Circle K. It is paid by the employee, so it is to reimburse, and then the total status amount is $299. So yeah, that's it.